If you want to triple the life of your fuel injection system and improve the fuel efficiency of your diesel pusher motorhome, you're going to want to watch this video. Today we're going to be installing our Industrial Series 165 gallon per hour system, our drop-in series for the X15 Cummins, and our FASS Connect digital monitoring system. Now enough talking, let's get this installation started. We just wrapped up the installation of our Industrial Series system, our Drop-In Series system, and the FASS Connect digital monitoring system. Now, all three of these components are going to ensure that you are getting the absolute purest fuel possible to your injection system. Now let's show you exactly how this works. Now the Industrial Series system is going to be doing all the work of drawing the fuel from the fuel tank into our system. Then it will pass through our 144 micron particulate filter. Fuel gets pressurized, passes through our extreme water separator, and this is where all the magic happens right here. The extreme water separator is going to filter the particulates down to 2 microns absolute, remove over 99% of the water that can be found in your fuel, and on top of that, we're going to be removing the entrained air and air vapor, which can increase the lubricity by at least 10% and tripling the life of your fuel injection system. After the fuel passes through our Industrial Series, it's going to go through the gear pump, the factory pump mounted on the engine. Then it will pass through our Drop-In Series system here. And this is just going to ensure that if the gear pump were to create any more vapor in the fuel, we're going to remove that. And we're also going to ensure that if any debris is coming out of that gear pump from wear, anything like that, that we're also going to be filtering that down to 2 microns absolute. And to monitor all of the system right here, we have our FASS Connect digital monitoring system. And on this application, we're monitoring fuel pressure and fuel filter life. By adding a second pressure sensor to the FASS Connect, we're able to monitor the differential pressure or pressure drop as fuel passes through that XWS and know our filter life in real time. And the filter life on our system is not just like most OEMs that is either time-based or mileage-based. No, we know exactly what's going on inside of our filter right here. And then the Connect ECU mounted right and back, nice and easy. It's going to send the data completely wirelessly up to our FASS Connect gauge that's mounted in the driver's compartment. Now the gauge mounted up front, all you need to do is give it a key-on power supply and a ground. On some applications, yes, it might be easy to pass the wires just right through the firewall and connect to your ECU. An application like this, it could literally take you hours or days just to run wires from the ECU up to that gauge. And that is why we absolutely love the wireless technology and communication between the Connect ECU and the Connect gauge. Now, if you have any questions, would like more information, to locate a dealer near you, or to order yours today, you can find them at fastride.com.